Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel Smiles Per Gallon. How is everybody today? Hope you're feeling above average. I'm sure you are. Well, I thought I'd get the KTM out of the shed and just have a rundown on the specs, as I've said. Just look at that headlight. How beautiful does that look, honestly? Such a stunning headlight, such a stunning bike. Really nice bike. And the running lights on it as well, just look at them. Absolutely beautiful, honestly. Absolutely love this machine. It looks great from all angles. It really does. So we're just going to run down the front end. So we've got a 17-inch wheel with a 320mm disc and bi-brake 4-pot calipers, WP upside down or USD forks, whatever you want to call them. Just look at it, just, you know, for a budget bike as well, all this spec on it, it's absolutely amazing. It's got a 373cc engine which develops about 44 brake horse at 37 newton meters of torque, and that's at 7,500 RPM, which is quite good. Look at the trellis frame as well, two-piece trellis frame. Looks absolutely stunning. Honestly, it's just a beautiful looking bike. It really is. I really do love it. So yeah, it's weighing in at about 149 kilogram, which is round about 328 pounds dry. The wheelbase is 53.4 inches or 135 centimetres. Seat height is 32.3 inches, that's 820 millimetres. So it is quite high. Is the seat, you know, if you've only got a 29 inseam like me, then you'll be struggling a little bit, but it's alright, I can flat foot it. Ground clearance is 7.2 inches or 182 millimetre. Look at that trellis frame, absolutely. I love the frame on it, it's absolutely stunning, and the wheels, the orange wheels look amazing. And I've already mentioned the WP USD forks, beautiful, honestly. Look at that as well. The TFT screen looks absolutely amazing, ready to race. Yeah, it's got a lot of things on the TFT, you can do all sorts with it. I think I've run down it on my other videos. You've got temperature and fuel, and all this here, you know, it tells you your trip and everything, your mileage and all that, rev counter and your speedometer. Yeah, it is brilliant. One touch just to touch it, let go, and it starts up. It's brilliant. One touch throttle. I've already spoke about the ride wire throttle in one of my other videos. It's got a 13.4 litres fuel tank. It normally get about 160 miles per tank. And it's like 3.4 gallons. Yeah, so look at that headlight, and them running lights, proper. I just look at the LED. All the lights on this bike are LED, which make it look absolutely amazing. It is a budget bike. You can pick one of these up brand new from the showroom for about £3,500, which I think is a bargain and something you can actually ride on an A2 licence. Amazing, honestly, absolutely amazing. It rides lovely, it really does. You know, anybody that's after a bike, just go out and get one of these, whether you're an experienced rider like me or you just, you know, a novice. Either way, you'll be well pleased with this. Well pleased. I mean, obviously I've got my BMW K1200 RS as well, which is my bike where if I want to go out, you know, and do a bit of touring, I'd use that. But for everyday riding, just pull this out. So light. I mean, 149 kilogram. You know, it's nothing. You can sit on it. When you're riding, you can steer it with your butt cheeks. Do you know what I mean? It is really light. People talk about how hard the seat is, but to me, no, it's not hard at all. Unless I've got an hard ass, I don't know. But yeah, it is. It's just an all-round great bike. I love these handguards as well that are on it. Really swanky. I think they must be. I think they are made by KTM, but you don't get them on the bike. There must be an added extra. So yeah. The only downside to the bike is the suspension is not adjustable, which to me don't matter because the suspension is quite comfortable anyway, and you can throw it around bends. It's really manoeuvrable and everything, so it's not something that bothers me. But to some that like to tweak about with your suspension, and you might be a bit disappointed with that. But I believe Husqvarna make the same use the same frame, the same engine, and they've built a bike around it which is a little bit more retro to this, but that bike has actually got adjustable suspension. Still WP suspension all around, same as this. Only difference is it's adjustable. But mate, I just like the look of this bike. It just looks a lot better than the Husqvarna. I'm not saying it does look bad, it don't look as good. There's no TFT screen on it as well, so I'm sorry about yard being a mess. My wife will not washing out this morning before she went to work, and I'm on my day off, so I've like tried moving things about a bit to make it, because I wanted to film it in my backyard, you see. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed my video on the specs on the KTM Juke, and I will see you soon. Take care guys, love you all, and please like and subscribe. See you later.